We've been able to achieve a bunch using Enovation Controls products in our line of RVs. I mean, everybody knows that we sort of exist in challenging times and supply chain is tough. The nice thing about working with Enovation is just transparency. So if there's going to be a glitch or there's going to be a problem, there's no surprises. And time again, our team at Enovation has taken massive action to keep us flowing, keep our production going, and it's really been huge help for us. Our business has been impacted in a few ways since we integrated the Enovation products. It really helps your manufacturing become a little more seamless. So we have a display that talks to a PDM through a harness system, and Enovation manages all that for us. I'd like to say that the best part of working with Enovation is the products because they work well and they're beautiful, but really it's the people and the relationships we've developed. The products are amazing and all that stuff works great, but the relationships we've developed they've brought morale, they have brought fun-loving spirit and a passion, and it's just been a lot of fun.